Oh, oh, oh dear. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be doing the first run on what I believe is the world's fastest FTX Outback 2. For those of you who didn't watch my last video, we managed to get 17 mile an hour out of it using the stock electronics and a 540 motor, a 28 tooth pinion and an 80 tooth spur gear. Now since then I've made a few modifications to it. I've changed all the electronics. So we've now running a 3600 kV brushless motor, a 60 amp speed controller which we can run on 2S and 3S, and I've got Dumbo RC radio gear. And I've also changed the pinion to a 44 tooth pinion, which is much bigger than it was before. It's so big that I had to modify the gearbox mountings, and the cover will not fit on the gearbox now. So that should make it, give it a lot more speed. Now I've also changed the shock absorbers, as you can see there, to just some ones I had lying around. So we had a few issues in the last video of it tipping over when we were around corners at speed. So obviously it's not designed to go fast at all. So you can see it's much stiffer. So that should help us with the stability of the car. Now I haven't run it at full throttle yet, so I don't know what's going to happen. It could blow the tyres off, the diffs could explode, I've got no idea. So let's go take it out and see what it does. So here we are on location. I'm going to run it on 3S straight away, not going to bother with 2S, and we're going to see how fast it goes. Maybe a bit too much power. Nearly fell over. So it's not full throttle yet. And I think it's broken. Yeah. Game over for this run. So after that first run, I thought we would do a quick damage report. As you can see, I fixed the suspension link arm. There's actually the tie rod there which failed. As you can see, it's split. I've also noticed the shock absorber is very slightly bent, but it still works, so I'm not too fussed about that. The body shell also has a bit more damage to it. As you can see, there's a big chunk missing out the back and it's all split, and the front end's not looking so good, so I think I'll probably have to order a replacement one. So let's go take it out for a second run, and hopefully this time we'll be a bit more successful. So here we go guys, round 2. So this time I'm going to measure the speed because I didn't do it last time, and to do that I'm going to use my burner phone again, and I have cable tied it to the bottom of the truck. So hopefully we won't have any big crashes and it will get destroyed. So let's go see what it can do. A bit more space this time. Oh, nearly fell over again. Still wants to fall over. Right, get it full throttle. Oh, get into the middle of the road. There we go. It's got to be near enough flat out. Oh, you see how much speed it's got. Oh, we're back on the wheels. Perfect. Hopefully the phone's alright. So much power, you can see it trying to wheel it. This thing's so fast. Oh. Go easy on the throttle, I think. Oh, oh, oh dear. Well, I think that's game over. And we smashed the wheel off. What speed did we get? Let's have a look. 34.5 miles an hour. Now that has got to be a record. So let's have a look at the damage, shall we? As you can see, the body shell is destroyed. A big chunk there missing. That chunk was already missing. The back's broken, and the roof's cracked. And you can see here, split here on the body. So I think that body will have to go in the bin. So underneath, you can see it sheared the drive shaft off, but the phone survived, which is a bonus. And as you can see, as I just said, 34.5 miles an hour. If anyone has got a faster FTX Outback 2, let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.